Hello there, it's Francis here from Generational Wealth Academy. Now, on today's video, I am basically going to be doing a quick tutorial as to how to move your stop loss when you are in profit and close partial positions of your trade. As you can see here, we are currently over 100 pips up on this trade. I've actually got it. I've got the trade open on two of my accounts. So this is one of the accounts. It is a sell. We've taken a sell position on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So that's basically one of the positions opened, and I've got it opened here as well. This actually went to as much as 25 pips. I have closed part of the position, but I thought I might as well, do a quick tutorial for, those who are members of my trading community, as well as obviously everyone else online. So on this particular trade, I'm not going to, since I have taken partial position, I'm not going to be doing that again. I'm just going to go through the procedure. That's basically where we entered the trade, or where I entered the trade with my guys, and this is the current stop loss. So to secure your position, what you would do is to move it lower than the entry price. You can see the green dotted lines here, and then the red dotted lines for the stop loss. So you basically just drag it down. That's all you need to do. There are at least two ways of doing this. You could either drag it down. If it was a buy, you would have dragged it up, but since it's a sell, you drag it down, just under your stop loss, sorry, under your entry. Otherwise, what you could have done, let's just take it back up for now. Otherwise, what you could have done is basically double click on this entry. It could be anywhere on the line. Just double click on it, and it will bring up this pop-up window for you to do your modification. You would then obviously click on modify. I mean, that's the current stop loss. You could basically adjust the stop loss there. Let's just see where we want to adjust it to. Let's say we're going to adjust it to 0.9013. Let's just do that there, 0.9013. You can see this then lights up. Well, not lights up. It basically comes up, making it possible for you to modify it. Let's just close it and do it again. So we'll go back here. We'll double click on the current open position. Double click on that, and this comes up. At the moment, you can see it's grayed out. This button to modify is grayed out because you have not adjusted it. But let's just adjust it there to 0.9013. So let's just do that, and you can see you can then modify it. Let's click on it and see what happens. Is the stop loss you're adjusting, remember? Click on it, and you can see it has moved. So those are two ways of doing it. You could either drag your stop loss below, or you double click on your entry point and change it there. Now, what you could then do, we are currently about 12 pips up now. You could click on this entry again, the green line, and you have the choice to either modify or close. You don't want to close it. If you click on close, it's going to close everything, so you don't want to do that. So click on modify, and this would come up. So since we entered at 0.10 lots of volume, as it says there, you can then click on market execution, because what you are going to do is to close it straight away. You want to close it straight away. You want to close half the position. So since it's 0.10, half the position will be 0.05. So that will be half the position. If you click on close now, what's going to happen is it will close half of the position, which means it will close 0. It will close 0. Sorry about that. Those are my indicators going up. So if you click on close here, it will close half the position, which is 0.05, and leave the remaining 0.05 open. You know, obviously you would do that because you believe the price is going to keep on going in your chosen direction. Anyway, I'm not going to be closing it because I have already closed it, but that's what you would do. You will simply just click on close. Don't click on this one. Don't click on that. Click on this. If you click on this, you'll be opening another position. You don't want to open another position. You want to close half of your current position. Okay. Until next video, I would say to subscribe to my YouTube channel. How could I forget that? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you could receive videos of future tutorials as well as notifications. So once you've clicked on the subscribe button, the notification bell would show up next to it. Click on that as well, to ensure that you get alerted and be one of the first to see the videos that come out. If you do want to be part of my trading community, feel free to click on the link for Telegram and join my Telegram group. My WhatsApp group obviously is for only the paid members. Anyway, I would speak to you soon. God bless.